Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and today we're going to be unboxing what's definitely becoming one of my favorite subscription services, MintMongoose. Now, last month I really got some really cute stuff, which I am wearing today. This is the ring, this is the necklace. Those are the earrings. Very cute. So I'm really excited to see what we get today. Welcome back, you guys, and as I said, we're going to be unboxing our MintMongoose today. A little bit about MintMongoose. It is a jewelry subscription service. It's actually one of, I think, the best priced jewelry subscription services out there, especially for what you get and the fact that you get to keep it every month. So it is $12 a month, $3.70 shipping and handling if you live in the US. I'll put all the descriptions and details down below. Now they do have a next level up service, and again, it's the Black Mongoose, and I'll put all that down below. But for, you know, $12, $15.70 altogether, you get 3 pieces of jewelry that you get to keep. So it's pretty amazing, and their stuff is really quality. It doesn't break you out if you're sensitive. Ooh, and they changed their packaging. You guys know what a sucker I am for packaging. So check this out. There's like little pillowy ribs in the packaging now. Isn't that sweet? I love this so much. I just love the packaging. And then of course, they put their little emblem, MintMongoose. It's like a little wax dealio. I just love this. I hate undoing it. Anywho, I guess I have to. Oh, love that. Love it. Okay. So as I said, though, it is really one of the best priced jewelry subscription services out to date. And if you guys want, I do have a code for you where you can get your first month for $10 and free shipping. So it is Stepmama, all caps, all one word. I'll put it right here for you. Now I do receive these free for review, but I don't get anything if you use my code. You guys just get an awesome deal. So there's that for you. Anywho, oh my gosh, this Cadence is stealing this from me. She's gonna take this from me. I'm gonna tell you right now, you guys. So they always put a little piece of Werther's candy in there, which Cadence takes this too. But look at this ring. Do you guys see that? I don't know. Can you see it? Sorry, my hands are kind of sweaty. But it's like a peacock. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Show you right there. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It's a peacock. It's like the head and then the tail. Oh my God. See, like I'm sorry. They just excite me every time. Like I don't think there's one thing from them that I have received that I have not just absolutely loved. And they take great care of their pieces. The packaging is just amazing. I mean, you know, I feel like it speaks for itself. So you definitely get your money's worth. All right. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. And I don't know, like their stuff is just, it's different. It's like out of the box too. So it's just, I can already tell that I'm gonna love this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Holy cow, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Helena, like girl, you outdo yourself every time. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. It's got like little, like the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like it's got like little gold and silver flecks. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And then they have their little MintMongoose stamped in the back. Like this is just like I'm about to take this off, which I love this. This was last month's, and put this on. Like this is gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm super excited to see what's in the other package. Oh my God, you guys. Helena, like seriously, girl, how do you all do that? And I mean, for $15 and some change, really? Oh, these are pretty. Oh my God, these are pretty. So they're earrings and they match the necklace like perfectly. Wish I could get my camera to focus in like really good. Let me see. Maybe if I put it behind something like that. I'm so sorry, you guys, my hands are sweaty, but I want you to see how pretty this is. Is that like a gnat? Like, it's still winter. Like, how is there like a gnat? Okay. Maybe it was the piece of dust. I don't know. But do you guys see this? This is just gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm like really excited to wear these, you guys. Oh my God. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. And what's crazy is like each earring is like different. Like the little gold and silvery specks in them are like placed differently. They're just absolutely gorgeous. They did a really, really good job on these, you guys. I am really liking this month. Like, I think probably I like this month better than I've liked any other month. So if you haven't signed up yet, this is definitely the month to do it, because like you'll get this, and I think they ship it out like immediately, and then your next month's box every month after that comes on the 15th. So it's a pretty good deal, you guys. So anyways, again, if you are interested in signing up, definitely use my code, $10 for your first month and free shipping, Stepmama, all one word, all caps. And yeah, they're just amazing. That's all I gotta say. So thank you, Helena, you guys so much at MintMongoose. You guys outdo yourselves every month. I don't even know how you go about doing this. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another unboxing, because it's gonna be an interesting one. All right, bye guys.